morning, cuties. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm trying out another new recipe and I thought I'd film it just in case you guys are interested. It's something definitely different for me. So let's get started. So what I have here is some lamb loin chops, and you can see they're pretty small. And what I'm marinating them in is olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, a bay leaf, and salt and pepper. Oh, and dried oregano. Sorry, forgot about that. So I'm just letting these marinate for a couple hours, and I'm going to ask my husband to stick them on the grill outside. Full disclosure, I don't love lamb chops. I'm not a huge fan of lamb. I will probably eat one of these. The marinade definitely helps with the lemon juice to get rid of that kind of gaminess that I taste anyway. But my husband loves them, and I never make them for him, so this is going to be something a little different. And this is a Greek-inspired meal. I am also going to have some eggplant grilled, zucchini, fennel, and maybe some onion, I'm not sure. And I'll show you how I put that all together in a minute. Stay tuned.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Okay, the veggies are ready to go in the oven. I'm just preheating my oven on roast at 425. And what I'm going to do before I put them in the oven, I'm just going to mix them up a little bit, get the olive oil distributed with the herbs, and it's going to be tasty. I'll have to let you know when it's done how long it takes. By the way, I have no recipe for this. It's kind of just my own kind of thing I'm doing here based on the flavors I like. So I will show you the veggies when they come out of the oven. Here are some other things that I'm going to include in my little Greek-inspired meal. So these are little mini naan dippers. They are so good. And we like to dip this in the tzatziki as we're eating the rest of the meal. This is just some feta cheese that I'm going to crumble up and some Kalamata olives. So again, stay tuned to see what the veggies look like when they get out of the oven. Okay, so the veggies are out. So they cooked at 425. I put them in for 15 minutes and then I stirred them around a little and put them back in for another 15. So I'm going to plate this all up and I'll show you what it all looks like together. Stay tuned. Okay, so here's the finished product. I have all the roasted vegetables here, and I added some feta cheese and some Kalamata olives on the top. And these are the grilled up lamb chops. And over here is those mini naan breads. So I'm gonna sit down and enjoy this. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit the subscribe button so you can see more of me cooking some recipes. And yeah, have a great night.